Ethan King is an Atlanta entrepreneur, a TEDx speaker, and best-selling author. And he's got a new book that's called Done. Let AI do your work so that you can live your life. He's joining us this morning to talk all about it. Ethan, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Brooks. It's great to be here.
Yeah, I'm excited about this because sometimes when people hear AI, they automatically want to close their ears and they say, no, it's taking over. Talk to us truly about what AI is, because there are still people who genuinely don't understand it.
Right. Everyone's scared that AI is going to take your job.
Yeah.
But the truth is, it's just the opposite. It allows us to get more time back in our day so that we can spend time with our loved ones doing things that we enjoy. And AI has evolved recently to going from just chatting with something like ChatGPT to actually doing tasks for you.
Talk a little bit about how that's been quite effective, in your life, because you were an art major, yet somehow you found your way into tech. Explain that process there.
Yes, I was an art major in college, and my parents told me, hey, artists don't make any money until after they're dead, right?
Good point.
So to make money, I got into graphic design, and then my wife and I, we opened a business called Zeus's Closet. We do screen printing and embroidery. So these are non-tech businesses. But like many business owners, I did not have money to just grow the business. Mm-hmm. So I just went and learned marketing automation so we could do more with less. And this was 15 years ago, Brooks, before AI was even a buzzword.
Because I feel like in the past maybe 2 years or so, we've talked more about AI and everybody's seemingly getting on board with it. But yes, 15 years ago, I don't even know if that was a thought. It probably was in somebody's basement, but just not out here in the world. So talk to us a little bit about this, because people don't understand a lot of the tasks that you could be doing. So what did you use AI for, and what do you use it for?
Oh, so now AI has evolved to where I talk to it just like they're human assistants.
Yeah.
So I text message my AI agents and they go and actually do things for me, respond to emails, update my calendar, schedule meetings for me, close deals, contracts. I was just on vacation with my family last week and standing in the line in roller coasters, messaging my agents, and they would do things for me so I could spend time with my family. So that's the type of thing. And even if you're not a business owner, you could have AI going out and scouring the web for job searches and drafting applications. It could get 90% of the work done, so you can just finish it and put that human touch on it for you.
I know you talk about this in your book, but do you think people are more hungry for time or truly for tech?
It's about the time. It's about the freedom. This is not a tech book. Don't think of it that way. Think of it as a freedom book. It's a book that enables anyone, because the key thing, you don't have to be a coder anymore. You don't have to be a computer scientist. Everything is done in plain English. So this gives you time back so that you can do the things that you really enjoy, because that's what we all really want.
If there's one thing that you want people to get from this book, what would you say that would be, and how should they be applying it to life, even beyond freedom? Because I'll speak for myself personally. I will say, it would be nice to have an extra hour, especially with a 3-year-old. Sometimes I need 5 extra hours. That just isn't happening. But, when people learn how to use AI, which can be intimidating for some people who are like, I'm just not tech savvy, it really could be a game changer.
That's right. And what I want people to get from this is that you can do it. If I can do this, an art major with no tech background, you can do this too. That's the beautiful thing about it. If you get stuck on something, just ask AI. It will tell you how to use itself.
And I use it for research and all types of stuff. I'm just saying, or you got to do what you got to do. Ethan King, thank you so much for spending some time with us. He's got that new book out. It's entitled Done. Let AI do your work so you can live your life. We're going to have all of these tips and how you can apply them to your life if you choose to on our website and on the free Atlanta News First app. Thanks, Ethan.
Thanks, Brooks.